You're watching this 737 sim guide on how to perform at your very best in the simulator time and time again. In this next video, we're going to have a look at part 2, engine failure after takeoff. If you haven't seen the first one on YouTube, head over, take a look, and we'll be taking this one from 400 feet. So 400 feet, over to the simulator. Let's go and take a look.
Heading select, identify the problem.
So at 400 feet, we're going to call for a roll mode. The pilot flying is going to call for a roll mode. And this will normally be heading select. So heading select and identify the problem or state the malfunction. Pilot monitoring now will identify the malfunction. Now remember, pilot flying is flying the aircraft and probably working quite hard right now. Okay. We have no N1 rotation, engine failure illumination, no N2 rotation, no fuel flow, no oil pressure, no vibration, no engine fire switch illumination. We have a severe damage on engine number 2.
I agree. Memory items for engine fire, severe damage.
So it's important to read aloud what you can see. If your company takes off with compact display, then all of the instruments are going to be up on the upper DU. If not, if you don't take off with a compact display, most probably you'll have a procedure where you blank the lower DU. By doing so with an engine malfunction, you get the pop-up of the lower DU, so you'll be able to read all the instruments on the upper and the lower DU. So reading from top to bottom, starting from the N1. Do we have rotation on the N1? Do we have an engine failure illumination? Do we have EGT? So we're going to say aloud what we can see, and remember to come all the way down to the fire panel. Look to see if the engine fire switch is illuminated or the overheat light is illuminated. So having diagnosed the problem, what's the first thing that pilot flying is going to do? The pilot flying needs to look over at the instruments and confirm that he or she agrees with the diagnosis of the malfunction. If they agree, call for the appropriate memory items. If not, might take a very short discussion just to say, I don't agree because we have this malfunction, therefore I believe the problem is a severe damage. Simulators represent the malfunctions in different ways when it comes to severe damage. You may or may not get a 0 N1 indication or a 0 N2 indication. So bear that in mind. What we're looking for is an abnormal engine indication with an airframe vibration. More of identification on malfunctions in another video. So pilot flying agrees and calls for the appropriate memory items. This is our closed loop philosophy. So let's have a look, see what that looks like.
Checklist.
Auto throttle disengage.
Disengage.
First lever number 2 close.
Number 2 confirm.
Confirm.
Close.
And then start lever number 2 confirm cut off.
Confirm.
Cut off. And then fire switch number 2 confirm pull.
Confirm.
Pull. No illumination. Memory items complete. I'm currently working on a complete guide and tutorial with detailed explanations on each LPC maneuver and profile. More information on this as the modules start getting completed, and I'll give you more updates when this is going to become available. In the meantime, stay tuned, and remember, if a picture's worth 1,000 words, how much is a video worth?